Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a trusted VPN app that offers servers in the country where coins are sold cheaper. This is how you gain a different region. Once installed, sign up or verify your TikTok account and confirm a payment method that works there. Clear TikTok app cache and sign out so the app forgets your old region. This reduces conflicts. Make sure the VPN is set to the target server before you reopen anything, because otherwise the app will detect your original location. You now connect the VPN to the chosen country and enable the kill switch, so your traffic never leaks back to your real location. Next, change your device store or account region if the platform requires region-specific billing. This step ensures in-app purchases appear correctly. Once that's set, open TikTok with the VPN active. The app will read the new IP address and present the regional coin options. If prompted, allow location or deny based on whether it matches the VPN server. Consistency avoids You finish by choosing the coin package and confirming a payment method compatible with the VPN region. Proceed with the purchase and wait for confirmation. Once done, log out and check your balance to validate delivery, then keep the receipt or screenshot. If something fails, switch to a nearby server, clear the app cache, or reinstall TikTok and retry while the VPN is active. Make sure to disable the VPN only after you verify the transaction to avoid partial purchases or billing mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.